Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, criticized Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates on Wednesday following a story that claimed the latter had spent millions opposing Musk's $44 billion takeover of Twitter. Additionally, he claimed in a tweet that Microsoft billionaire Bill Gates had bet up to $500 million on a decline in Tesla's shares. He recently questioned Gates about whether he was still shorting the stock in a text exchange that was made public and verified by Musk. According to Gates, he was. And he wanted to talk to Musk about philanthropy. What action did Gates do to anger the richest man on the planet? To find out, keep watching. Breitbart News, a far-right publication, reports that hundreds of millions of dollars are purportedly connected to 11 of the 26 organizations that signed an open letter last month urging Twitter advertisers to quit the company until Elon Musk reinstates free speech on the network. Citing research and analysis by the Foundation for Freedom Online, the study examined public filings to link hundreds of millions of dollars in contributions from the letter signatories to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Musk wasn't really pleased about this since it would obviously have an impact on his investment, particularly considering how much Tesla shares he had to sell in order to close the deal he produced. Not alone did Gates express concerns about Musk's takeover of Twitter, saying that he would worsen the microblogging platform. Earlier this month, a letter to Twitter advertisers was signed by about 26 activist groups and non-governmental organizations, warning them to quit the network if Musk made changes to content control. Former US Presidents Bill Clinton and Barack Obama, as well as billionaire philanthropist George Soros, are connected to or sponsor several of these organizations. The organization said that Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter will further contaminate our information ecology and constitute a direct threat to public safety, especially among the most disadvantaged and marginalized. This was later revealed in a note addressed to advertisers. Under his direction, Twitter runs the potential of turning into a depository for false material that links to your brand, contaminating our information ecology at a time when public confidence in news organizations and institutions is already at an all-time low. Additionally, Gates has questioned Musk's motivation for utilizing Twitter and the reasonableness of his efforts to advance free expression. He contends that those in charge of social media platforms have a responsibility to ensure that the truth is appropriately disseminated and that it is risky for users to abandon the main tool being utilized to save lives. Yes, although there has never been much of a nice connection between the billionaire Microsoft and the Tesla and SpaceX mogul, things have heated up in the last 12 to 18 months or so. What precisely is the issue between Bill Gates and Elon Musk then? Musk is well known for his tweets on any subject under the sun, from creating provocative memes to taking on Vladimir Putin in a single battle. The 50-year-old American entrepreneur consistently manages to create a stir in the news cycle. In a string of intercepted text exchanges, Musk and fellow billionaire Bill Gates seem to have started a vicious verbal assault. Musk is upset with Gates for a number of reasons, including the former CEO of Microsoft's attempt to short his $500 million positions in Tesla stock, which might have sent the company's stock price plummeting. It's not unprecedented for billionaires to wager against Tesla, but given Bill Gates' influence, this was quite unexpected. Although there were rumors that Gates was shorting Tesla, he never confirmed that he had purchased any of the company's stock. It is strange considering Elon Musk's brilliance at Tesla and the brand had received high praise from Gates. He said he should be proud of it since it's possibly the single most significant contribution to showing that electric cars are part of the solution to climate change and that removing carbon is now a challenge. The co-founder of Microsoft claims that Musk's prior company performance is astounding, defining his tenure as CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Gates said Musk has done an amazing job at those companies assembling a top-notch team of engineers. But a few days ago, Gates disclosed more details about his stance in an interview with Bloomberg. Thus acknowledging that he had been shorting the stock, Musk declined Gates' request to meet and discuss potential philanthropic endeavors, despite Gates disclosing that he had not closed his short position in Tesla. In response to Bill Gates, Elon Musk said he couldn't be serious about his climate change charity because he had a large short position in Tesla, the firm leading the charge in the fight against climate change. This is a really well-made point. As the leading producer of electric vehicles, Tesla has made significant investments to show that much of what was previously thought to be impossible is achievable in addition to accomplishing its goals. At the absolute least, Tesla has encouraged several automakers to join the electric vehicle market and make the switch, which can only be good for the environment. Elon Musk has responded to remarks made by Bill Gates in the past that he disregarded electric cars, such as the Tesla Semi. What are the drawbacks of giving away a security and then purchasing it again at a lower cost? Buying stocks at a lower price and then buying the same securities to book the profit or loss once shorting is over is the usual strategy behind short selling, sometimes referred to as shorting. There are certainly very severe issues about Gates's small stature. Tesla has led the way in the switch to electric vehicles, and its energy section has introduced energy for both homes and businesses. Since the company's storage and solar regeneration projects were established, no environmentalist or philanthropist for climate change can justify a low position on the stock that has to do with sustainability. Elon Musk seems to be being cautious, especially considering how expansive the gates are. The CEO of SpaceX and Tesla claims that Gates' wager against Tesla is now valued at up to $2 billion. Elon Musk should be wary of Bill Gates' Tesla short bets because large short sales by well-known individuals like Gates will surely spark panic in the market and drive down stock prices. Musk may have taken action later on after realizing that Gates was shorting Tesla stock to exert control over him. Later on Sunday, Elon Musk claimed in a brief and cryptic statement that he was moving on, setting off a flurry of rumors on social media. Subsequently, Musk clarified that his comment was about his Twitter rivalries with Microsoft co-founder and multi-billionaire Bill Gates. Gates has not yet released a statement in reaction to Musk's comments. People filing appeals against Tesla is nothing new, as we have previously discussed. The financial technology and analytics company's three partners claims that investors have shorted the maker of electric cars. The riskiest wagers and most valuable targets since at least 2010, between 2017 and 2021, those who wagered against Tesla lost $52 billion. To tell the truth, the amount was closer to $57 billion in 2010. Tesla has been the worst performing domestic short position for the past 10 years or more. According to Dostoevsky. Michael Burry, a well-known investor, is said to have been one of Tesla's top short sellers, having staked over $500 million against the company. Ion Asset Management, led by Michael Burry, has stopped using puts to short Tesla shares. He still has a negative outlook on the stock. During a tweet, Musk addressed his delicate stance about the use of some of his Tesla Inc. stock to finance his acquisition of Twitter. After that, Barry supported short sellers, saying that considering the circumstances at the moment, Tesla might drop between 80 and 90%. It seems that more people are changing their short stock positions to reduce their losses as Tesla continues to achieve incredible things. Jim Chanos of Kinnick Associates, another well-known short seller, still short Tesla, but he is now shorting the stock through put options as opposed to actually shorting the shares. This strategy was often used by short sellers who have to cover their stock shorts. Chanos started shorting Tesla in 2016. When the stock went public with the short in May 2016, it had increased by over 1,800. About his company's Tesla interest, Chanos stated, "We converted our stock investment into a put position." Chanos's worst loss was the Tesla short. He said in an interview that it hurt to be short Tesla. Two of the richest persons on the planet, Musk and Gates, have openly feuded in the past over issues such as COVID-19, electric cars, and Mars colonization. It makes sense that Gates is investing against Tesla given their apparent differences in opinions and ideals. However, history has shown that it might not be a good idea to wager against Elon Musk after more consideration. How do you feel about the billionaire-billionaire feud? Post a comment below.